It's July 30th, 2022. This is the shishito pepper. Here you can see some red peppers. Over here, these are the older peppers, and then these longer green ones are the newer ones. And here are the blueberries. As you can see, I started to harvest some of the blueberries. A lot of blueberries to harvest. Here's the rhubarb. I'm gonna harvest some of the leaf stalks. Gonna harvest this one over here. Oh, oops. I ended up killing this plant. And you can see all the blueberries are gone now. Well, the blue ones. And they are in this bowl right here. A bountiful harvest of blueberries. And here are the peppers that I harvested today, specifically the shishito peppers. And this tiny bit of sweet peas. And here are the rhubarb that I harvested. And this is the harvest I did today, which is July 30th. And it's July 31st, 2022. Just a quick update of the garden. You can see a lot more of the California poppy flowers are popping up. Over here is the raspberry. A lot more new fruits are gonna come up pretty soon. These looks pretty nicely pollinated. And here you can see a lot more flowers coming up. We're gonna get a lot more raspberry fruits this year. Over here's the asparagus. You can see this new sprouts are flowering. Down here we have some potatoes. These are poking up from the soil. And here we have the Cuban sweet pepper. This one is getting quite big. Here's the shishito peppers. A few more coming up. Probably gonna harvest them in a few weeks. Here's the jalapeno. Here you can see a big pepper forming. Don't think it's ready to be harvested yet. Here's another one. Here's the tomato. Still flowering, and you can see some tomato fruits forming. I believe here you can see a whole bunch of tomato fruits. Yep, right here. These are all still maturing. And blueberry just harvested yesterday, and you can already see some of them are maturing, and they'll be ready to be harvested pretty soon. Here's the moss rose. I planted some more seeds today. You can see the seedlings are forming nicely. Quite small still, but yeah, they're growing. And over here is the hydrangea. A lot of new growth from this shooting star variety. And the broadleaf variety, you can see the flowers are slowly turning green. Even with the pink ones, they're also turning green. And here are some of the newer flowers. You can see they have started to change colors. Over here's the herbs. The mint is still growing. The sweet basil is growing nicely. And the Thai basil is also looking very healthy. Here's the nasturtium. Lots of flowers. It's getting a little messy though. Here are the orchids, the mini oncidiums. You can see the flower spikes have started to form. Here's the other mini oncidium, lots of flower spikes as well. And over here's the lady slipper orchid. I broke this flower, it's not recovering. This other lady slipper orchid is also sending out a flower. Here you can see this little flower forming. And the phalaenopsis flower is fading.